Today, friends, we'll be starting with a new topic of IO organizations and peripherals. Now, first of all, let us understand what do you mean by IO organization. IO organization is the input-output components which together work in order to give you the desired output and the result. And in order to connect these input output components, what are the different types of peripherals that are required? We will be going ahead and seeing this in depth in this particular module of computer organization and architecture. Now, first of all, let us understand what do you mean by input and output. Now, input output modules are considered to be third critical element of computer system. Now, the question that should come to your mind is why it is considered to be the third critical element. The basic thing is because it consists of CPU, that is your central processing unit, and it also contains memory, which is a very, very important part in case of computing. Now, why CPU is important? Because it allows all the components to interact with each other, to work with each other to give you the desired output and result. Here, it has also been responsible so that all the computer systems have efficient means to receive the input and deliver the output. Now, what do you mean by efficient means of delivering output when you receive an input? Now, let us understand with a small example. On a daily work or on your daily life, you go to ATM to withdraw the money. As soon as you insert your card, you have been asked to put your PIN number. Now, imagine if after putting your PIN number, 20 seconds down the line, you get a message request time out. Request time. Now, what happens in such cases? You have inserted your proper PIN number, but the synchronization between the input and the output devices, the output may be some databases to which your ATM machine has been connected. It may be some communication problem, that is, your network is not working, communication line network would be down, and such problem occurs. So, CPU provides an efficient mean to receive the input and also deliver you the output. Now, there are wide ways of peripheral devices which are considered. First, first is at what speed you want to deliver. What is the speed? Now, when you're taking your internet connection at home, first question that comes to your mind is what is the speed? Will it be 1 gigabps, 1 mbps, or so on? Or will it be the unlimited speed? What are the different formats? And what are the different amounts of data that it will be delivering? The different amount of data can be any sort of data. It can be any form of data. It may be in the form of images. It may be in the form of text. It may be in the form of graphics. It may be audiovisual data and so on. All slower than CPU and RAM need IO modules. Now, what do you mean by input output module? External devices that are not generally connected directly into the bus structure of the computer. Now, external devices, for example, why do you require input output module? You have purchased your laptop with one TV memory inside, but still you want to attach to it your external hard disk. Now, when the configuration of the laptop was being prepared, it was being considered as, for example, i5 processor, third generation processor, and one TB hard disk. But now you want to attach a 500 GB hard disk to your laptop. So in such cases, input output module or devices play a very important role. Input output module is also an interface of external peripherals to the CPU and the memory that they are being connected. It also acts as an external memory to the CPU and computer.